Hi, I'm Byron.
And I'm Sharnice, and we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors. We are so happy to present mobile home investing in all 49 states.
Yes, each week we'll be dropping a new video discussing an individual state and how lucrative mobile home investing is in each state.
Are you ready to learn about mobile home investing across the United States? Stay tuned. So this week we are back with the state of Oregon.
Yes, the home of Nike, the beautiful state of Oregon.
Yes, now Oregon has great mobile home opportunity. It's actually ranked 9th in the United States for mobile home markets. The reason why is because you guys have over 1,400 mobile home communities in the state of Oregon alone.
Yeah, so you talk about that demand, right? Your median house costs $318,000, okay? Near metros, your median rent is right at that almost close to $1,600, and the lowest rent you're gonna find in your state is right at about $1,000. So when you're talking about a state that needs affordable housing, you see what those numbers, what those margins look like.
Yes, so the beautiful thing in the state of Oregon is that you guys have a resource. You can actually go to the Oregon Manufactured Housing Association and you can Google that, and they can give you all the information you need to know as far as the title transfer, dealer's license. It's all going to be on that website.
Yes, and so unlike many different states, right, when we talk about titles, you guys don't necessarily get your titles from the DMV, okay? You guys have a organization called the Oregon Department of Consumer and Business Services, who handles your titling for your state.
Yes, now it's similar, the title transfer process is similar to other states, right? So you're going to have a form for new and used mobile homes. You can get that from the organization that Byron just mentioned. You have to have that, the tax form showing that the taxes are paid up. And then, of course, you're going to have that title transfer fee. And you guys' fee is actually $55. So it's very, very affordable to go ahead and get that title transfer to take ownership.
Yes. And so with 4 million people living in the state of Oregon, you're talking about the need for affordable housing. So let's talk about some of the hot areas where these cities where mobile homes are at.
Yes, so we have Albany at 18, we have Beaverton at 14, we have Bend at 25 mobile home parks, we have Brookings with 21, Coos Bay at 18, we have Corvallis at 14, and Eugene with 46. So it's great opportunity in Eugene if you're close to that.
Yes, you also have Grant Pass, 36 mobile home parks, okay? You have Klamath Falls, and I hope I'm saying that right, at 42 mobile home communities. Medford, 32 communities. Milwaukee, 30. Portland has 83 communities. Like, wow, for a city that's crazy. All right, you have Roseburg at 25. You also have Salem at 54. Springfield at 22, and White City, 14 communities. So we named all of the hotspots where you know to go. You're talking about, we gave you guys probably over 200 places to actually start going. So we're definitely excited for you getting out there and starting your journey in mobile home investing.
So we hope you enjoyed this video on why mobile home investing is so lucrative in your individual state.
Yes. So if you like what you saw, make sure you hit that like button. If you want to see more videos on mobile home investing, hit that subscribe button. And if you need more information, hit that description. Links are there below. Listen, we're so excited for you to get started on your journey. And we always want to tell you guys, you are a mobile home investor.
So I'm Sharnice.
And I'm Byron.
And we're the Mobile Home Elite Investors.